Welcome to the Tele Radio Academy. Today we will show you how to register the T60 TX-08STL transmitter on the T60RX-08ASL receiver. The receiver can store up to 5 transmitter ID codes. Make sure the batteries have been placed correctly in the transmitter. Connect the receiver to a power supply. Press the receiver function button for approximately 1 second. Press the receiver select button for approximately 1 second. The receiver relay LEDs light up. Press the receiver select button again to confirm the relay selection. The receiver will stay in registration mode for approximately 6 seconds. Grab the transmitter. Press and hold button 1 to assign button 1 to 8 automatically to the corresponding relays in the receiver. Release the button. The transmitter is now registered. This registration procedure is valid for all T60 TX-ST transmitters, T60T8-5 transmitters, and T60RX-08AS and BS receivers.